Good morning, it's Dave from Shaving Time. That's www.shavingtime.co.uk. Today I'm going to do a very quick morning shave. It is the morning, my coffee's over there as you can see, and this is what I would do to shave. I'm going to use a Henson AL13 Rocket Red Medium. You can see the angles there. The angle is made to make it so much easier for you to present to the skin and shave. Make it really simple. The shaving soap I'm going to be using is Vintage Lapidus by Lapidus Boar by Ted Lapidus, 1987, Paris Parfumier. Obviously, Master Soap Creations have cloned that in this wonderful, wonderful barbershop, spicy, just rich, beautiful scent. You really have to smell it to appreciate it. It is wonderful. Vintage Soap Creations, newly imported by Shaving Time, UK certified. Ingredients on the side, instructions on the back, barcode label, and responsible people and the importer, etc., etc. Also EU certified on the EU cosmetics portal. So here we go. Right, the blade I'm using is an RK blades, which are the ones which are imported by Henson into Canada and sold with the razors. They come in the pack now, and I've got a few of those in the shop, so I'm going to use one of those. And the brush I'm going to be using is a Stirling Boar. That's been soaking for a few minutes, so we're just going to go. And I'm not going to talk very much. I'm just going to display it, the morning shave. Brush loaded. I've got not long out the shower, but we're just going to go straight for the face. Now I have 16 soaps and matching splashes from Master Soap Creations on my website. Good price, $16.99 for both, well, each. And towel-based soap, made in South Africa by Fernando. Getting rave reviews across the world, as it were. And it's really beautiful stuff. Definitely one of the high-end shaving soaps. Some more water required. Okay, let's be ready to go. Pop that down, dry my hands, grab the razor. Second pass. You don't need as much lather for the second pass. And there you have it, guys. Basically, that's a shave. I'm just going to touch up my chin because I went that way. I need to go back the other way. I'm not going against the grain. Just going straight for a simple shave to get out the door, go to work. A damn fine shave, as they would say. And that's it. Done. Easy. Excuse me while I rinse my face. I'll be 2 seconds. Okay. So, Henson medium AL13, Badger Boar, Master Soap Creations, vintage Lapidus, matching splash, witch hazel based. Oh, wonderful. There you go, see, lovely and smooth. Not baby smooth, you go up, you'll feel some hair, yeah, but there, down, smooth, perfect, day shave. Now I'm going to finish also with the Ted Lapidus EDT that I bought because I love the smell so much, I want to smell of it all day. Oh. And there we go, guys. Quick recap. Henson AL13 medium. RK blades. Made in India, imported by Henson. Master Soap Creations. Vintage Lapidus. Made in South Africa. Available at shaving time now. Ingredients on the side. Instructions on the back. Vintage Lapidus. Aftershave splash. Witch hazel based. Okay? Same thing. Instructions. Directions. Ingredients. There we go, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm Dave McMillan, the owner of Shaving Time. www.shavingtime.uk. Get your shaving supplies there whenever you want. I've got everything right now. Anyway, thank you for watching this very quick morning shave. Until the next time, adios, guys.